Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to activate Bank of America debit card. Firstly, ensure that you've received the physical debit card in the mail. Typically arrives within 4 to 6 business days after account opening or card replacement. Insert your card into a Bank of America ATM, enter your PIN and complete a transaction. Or make a PIN-based purchase at any merchant. Automatically activates the card once successfully processed. Or you can do it through online or mobile banking. Log into your Bank of America online account or mobile app, navigate to Manage Debit or Credit Card or Card Services, then locate the new card you follow and the activating prompts will help you complete the activation online. And finally, you can call to activate over phone. Call 888-624-2323 within US and follow the voice prompts. Have your card number and personal info ready for identity verification. And that's it, guys. Don't activate until you have the physical card and avoid repeated failed PIN attempts. And if activation fails via one method, try another or contact customer support. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.